he sold her.
Allie, it's nice to meet you.
Thank you.
You're a very pretty young lady. I wish you much success.
Thanks.
I think you've already had it. And Rod, I don't know whether I should even be talking to you anymore. With that maniacal bird of yours.
He's very nice.
I like him very much.
Yeah.
And I know we'll turn out to be friends. It's great to have you here, really.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for being with us.
It's a great honor being here.
And Richard, we're going to tell you, Rich agreed earlier tonight. You're going to come in some night and do a guest host thing here and do the show?
How's he go with dumplings?
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow night. Have a